Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 04 to 12, Colorado and Canyon.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Jack up the vehicle and support it with jack stands. Step 3. With a 21mm wrench and 21mm socket, remove the leaf spring bolt. Lower the axle and have the leaf spring come out of the pocket. Step 4. Hold the part up to the frame and determine where you will be cutting. Cut the frame on the line drawn. Note, you can reuse your bed and body mount if needed, or you may purchase a new one. Step 5. Grind and clean the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Next, spray the part and work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 6. Slide the part up into place and support it with a jack, followed by welding the part onto the frame, using the frame holes for alignment. Finally, put the leaf spring back into the mount and put the bolt through. Tighten it with an 18mm socket and 21mm wrench, and you're done.